Hey, Wookiverse, how's it going? So, we're sitting there, I guess, trying to figure out why everybody grabbed the knives they grab. And we happen to have two similar models of Swiss Army knives. One is the GAK111 German Army knife. It's 111 millimeter, tip to tip, and I have the Swiss Army Locksmith, which is also 111 millimeter knife. No idea what that measures out. Probably about 3.5, 3 3/4 inches, maybe 4 in actual English version. But so that's what we have here.
So this is part of Ask a Wookie. So I picked out the German military knife years ago.
Yeah, she liked the green color and the one-handed opening, and
Isn't it beautiful?
it has almost a fully serrated edge on the main blade.
And it's
Both of them.
olive green.
Both of them have the main blades that lock, and also the large screwdrivers lock into place. The only difference between the two of them is that on the locksmith, I have a file, so my layers are a little bit thicker by one, and that one for me is a file that's both a wood file and a metal file, all in one. Plus, my scales have the traditional toothpick and tweezer set up.
And you don't have the serrated blade.
I don't have a serrated blade. Mine is a full straight blade.
Because you don't want the serrated blade.
I didn't want them at all. So it locks into place, and it's got everything else. There's your bottle opener, or your can opener with small slotted screwdriver. There's your main screwdriver blade with can opener, bottle opener, one or the other, which locks into place, so it's also used as a pry bar. You can get a little bit of leverage with it. And they both come with a pretty aggressive wood saw with the 90-degree spines on them.
Does that lock?
No. The only ones that are going to lock are the large screwdriver and the main blade.
Why did I think my saw locked?
And then right there is the cross-cut file for the crosshatch file for wood, and the cross-cut bastard style file for metal. And I never know what I'm going to need for tools, so having that file is kind of essential for me.
You gonna show the lint?
Yeah. So this rides in my pocket every day, and people always talk about having lint and, pocket lint. Well, I was kind of surprised at how much pocket lint had actually accumulated in my knife over the years. I use it quite often, so it's not just from sitting in my pocket, but it does ride in my pocket every day.
Show the label that isn't, the emblem that isn't an emblem anymore. See, that's why you should have it, the German one, because it's inset.
Yeah, well, it doesn't have a file. So
yeah, there's no more.
There's my emblem right there.
Oh,
it's
sad.
Wearing off.
There it is. All right. So when I asked the Wookie why he chose that over this beautiful olive green Victorinox, this is why.
Biggest thing right there is because it's a straight blade, so it's easy to sharpen no matter what I do. I don't have to carry an additional serrated file with me to sharpen that blade up. And this one has the file in it, so that if I need to do anything, like I was just using this file to do a little bit of maintenance on my field shovel. So I've always got the tools that I need somewhere.
That's what brought up the whole topic. Is he took it out to file the shovel that I've been banging into stakes.
Other than that, they're the exact same knife.
Except mine's prettier.
Yeah, like I said, mine just has the one additional layer because of the file.
I mean, to me, and who am I? This feels so much heavier. But, I mean, that's your work knife, so, and that's my play knife.
Yeah, I mean...
My work knife was a single blade Victorinox florist hook knife. So...
It's got all the same blades.
Oh, see if my saw locks.
Your saw doesn't lock.
No. I swore it did. Well,
No.
I've used the saw a lot for the little solo stoves to cut up the little wood and everything, and it hasn't bit me.
Why would it?
You know, hasn't folded it back in. Because it doesn't lock. It's been so long. Like, we don't use the solo stoves that much anymore.
So, basically...
Plus mine's filthy. Isn't it pretty? Oh, you put the emblem on the... That saw is like... There it is. Now you can see it. I mean, would I prefer the American Eagle? Sure, but I like the green.
So...
Here it is. So that's why the Wookie chose... Oh my god, I forgot. What is it now?
This one's a locksmith.
Locksmith.
Yep. Because of the file and a straight edge, as opposed to almost full serration on that one and lack of a file.
So mine is basically the Trekker.
Yeah, they actually will sell it as the Trekker German Army knife, because they started issuing that one in 2003.
Oh, that's a long time, huh?
Yeah, and I didn't remember when they actually pulled up the locksmith.
That's it. If you want the file and the non-serrated blade. So I think the Trekker has the serrations. So my knife has the serrations, the German military issue knife has the serrations in the beginning, on the top, whatever, and then the regular blade. And the Trekker is the exact opposite, I believe. It has the regular blade on the top and then the serrations.
Could be. I don't know. I never really paid attention.
Yeah, well, I just looked it up, though.
Never paid attention to serrations because I didn't want them.
You don't like them, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I didn't even, when I got I didn't think of sharpening or whatever. I mean, that's a huge consideration. Even when I was at work for all those decades using the straight blade, well, the hooked florist knife,
Yeah.
I always gave it to somebody to sharpen.
Yeah, those are what they consider a pruning blade.
Yeah.
Pruning blade or a hawksbill.
But when you have to sharpen your own stuff, All right.
So.
That's the facts, and you're sticking to them.
Oh, just sticking it back in my pocket.
Yeah. And I want some of that lint.
Then you got to start wearing your knife in your pocket.
I don't wear jeans hardly anymore. My tech fabric doesn't shed.
All right.